Problem number 4. In exercise 7.3, problem number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2 and 2, 3. Find the area of the quadrilateral. So first, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral definition: a simple closed figure formed by 4 line segments. A simple closed figure bounded by or formed by 4 line segments. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the quadrilateral. 4 line segments. A simple closed figure formed with 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Suppose take this quadrilateral as ABCD. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, first write given points. Given points are first point we can take as A. The point A is -4, -2. B. Second point we can take as B, -3, -5. C. Third point C, 3, -2. And final point D, 2, 3. Okay. So first point A. The coordinates of the point A are -4, -2. The coordinates of the point B are -3, -5. The coordinates of the point C 3, -2. And the final point D is 2, 3. Okay, these are the given 4 vertices. These 4 vertices form a quadrilateral. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, now see here. First to draw one diagonal. Okay, how many diagonals are there in quadrilateral? There are 2 diagonals. So see here, AC is the one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. AC is one diagonal and BD is another diagonal. Draw any one diagonal. So one diagonal you can draw AC. Okay, the diagonal AC. Okay, so see here, the diagonal AC divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Okay, the diagonal AC divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Okay, triangle 1, triangle 2. Okay, diagonal AC divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Okay, now first we have to find the area of the triangle 1, that is ABC. We have to find the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, after that we have to find the area of the triangle ADC, second triangle. Okay, totally 2 triangles are here. We have to find the areas of these 2 triangles. Okay, after that we can add these 2 areas. We can get area of the total quadrilateral. Okay, so area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle 1 plus area of the triangle 2. Okay, first we have to find the areas of triangle 1 and triangle 2. Okay, triangle 1 means triangle ABC and the second triangle is ADC. Okay, now write area of the triangle formula. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to, the formula is 1/2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle. Now, area of triangle. First triangle is ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, okay, 1 by 2 modulus. So ABC, first point here you can take as x1 y1, second point x2 y2, and third point x3 y3. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 x1. The value of x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 value minus 5 minus y3. The value of y3 is minus 2 plus x2. The value of x2 is minus 3 into x2 minus 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 value minus 2 minus y1 value minus 2 plus x3. The value of x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 value minus 2 minus y2 minus 5. Okay, check once again. 1 by 2 modulus x1 minus 4 y2 minus 5 y3 minus 2, next x2 minus 3 y3 minus 1 y3 minus 2 y1 minus 2 x3 3 y1 minus 2 and final y2 minus 5. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus 4 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus minus 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 5. Okay, that is equal to minus 4 minus 5 minus into minus plus 2 plus into minus minus 3 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus into minus plus 5. Okay, 1 by 2 modulus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 value minus 3 into minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2, the result is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, the result is 0. Next plus 3 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12 minus 3 into 0 0 plus 3 3s are 9. That equal to 1 by 2 modulus 12 plus 9 21. That is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus 21 value 21. That is equal to 21 into 1 21 by 2. 21 by 2 value 10.5 square units. 21 by 2 10.5 square units. So the area of the triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 10.5. Now we have to find the area of the second triangle, that is the area of triangle ABC or ACD. Now right here, area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 by 2 modulus. Now ACD, first point A we can take it as x1 y1, second point C we can take it as x2 y2, and third point D x3 y3. Okay, so the formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, now 1 by 2 modulus x1, the value of x1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into y2 minus y3, the value of y2 minus 2 minus y3. Y3 value 3 plus x2. X2 value 3. 3 into next y3 minus y1. Y3 value 3. Y1 value minus 2. Y3 3 minus y1. Y1 value minus 2. Plus x3. X3 value 2. 2 into y1 minus y2. Y1 minus y2. Y1 value minus 2. Y2 value is also minus 2. Y1 minus 2 minus y2 minus 2. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 into 3 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. Okay, once again minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 3 minus into minus plus 2 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 modulus minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20 plus see here 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 5. So 3 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0. The result is 0. Okay, minus into minus plus 4 5s are 20 plus 3 plus 2 5. 3 into 5 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 2 20 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 2 into 0 0. That is equal to 1 by 2 modulus 20 plus 15 35 35 plus 0 35. That is equal to 1 by 2. Remove the modulus, you can get into modulus 35 value 35. That is equal to 1 into 35 by 2. 35 by 2 value 17.5 square units. 35 by 2 value 17.5 square units. Okay, so see here area of triangle ACD, that is second triangle. Area of triangle ACD is equal to 17.5. So see the problem once again. What is the problem? Find the area of the quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral here? The quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. Total figure. How to get area of the total figure? That is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to sum of the areas of these two triangles. Sum of the areas of triangle ABC and triangle ACD. Okay. Now write here area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of first triangle plus area of second triangle. Okay, area of first triangle, that is ABC. So area of triangle ABC plus area of second triangle, that is ACD. So area of triangle ACD. Okay. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. That is equal to area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 10.5. 10.5 plus area of the triangle ACD. Area of the triangle ACD is equal to 17.5. So 17.5, that is equal to 10.5 plus 17.5. 10.5 plus 17.5. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 28.0. 28.0 means 28 square units. Okay, area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. So area of the triangle ABC 10.5 plus area of the triangle ACD 17.5. So 10.5 plus 17.5 is equal to 28 square units. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 28 square units. Okay.